নেই অসহায়।
ওভারটাইমটা দিলে ঠিক আছে, হ্যাঁ? আর নিয়মই একটা কাম আছে। Will this one possible? Overtime have no give overtime pay money.
What, next year? Next September?
Yes, for
Overtime?
yes. No,
Our
I
money before?
ask overtime have, but overtime money no give.
Yes.
This one possible or no possible?
No, my plan,
Yes.
I will tell to, already I tell to Anas. Anas will speak to the school. And, because I tell already to Mr. Anas.
No, this
I-
one too much problem. 1 hour overtime for lost
Yes.
maybe 3 hours, 4 hours.
No, I tell already to Mr. Anas. Mr. Anas, you know, all of us we have overtime, school not pay. Really? Like this? Why? I don't know, sir. And better, sir, you speak to the school. 8 hours duty, no problem.
Okay, no overtime, no give, I no need. All
Yes.
people we are no need.
But
But
8 hours.
overtime have, no give pay, this one big problem. I am coming here for leave. Huh? For I am coming, all people we are coming for vacation here. Huh?
Or if the school said no, if the school not still willing to pay, I will tell to Mr. Daniel, only we will complete 8 hours. 8 hours finish, we go.
No, all people together, this one, maybe all people together, this one better. But you go there, you talk to Daniel and I go there, I know like, all people together, this one no possible, sir.
No, Anas will talk to
Yes,
Anas will
first
talk
time.
to Daniel, and he will set appointment to Daniel, sawa-sawa Mr. Talal, sawa-sawa Muhammad Allah, and Shalan.
Okay.
After they have a meeting, after meeting, what is the school decision? What is school decision? After Anas will call to us. Anas like this, like that. Okay, the decision like this. After okay. After we will see. Already I tell to Anas the problem of the security. We have overtime, school no pay.
No, this contact given you, another contact same time tell, okay, no give away time money, it's good, okay? I know like, I go out, inshallah, overtime have no give overtime money, this was no possible. I know like this job.
So big problem.
Big problem. Maybe overtime have give money too much problem. Huh? Give money after too much problem.
I don't know why school no give overtime. This one no too much money. Only 6 people, 7 people like this, 1 month. One people sometimes overtime 600, 700, 800. I don't know why this school thinking this one too much money. Why now renovation school million real, no problem. Alatul sign.
Yes, but
Sada.
You see now.
our is
how
small
to-
money problem.
Yes, small money. Overtime for the worker, no sign. School have project, million real, 100,000 real, 400 lakh real, my friend.
You see,
No problem.
before.
Alatul sign.
Yeah. No, this is no good at, but no like this job.
No, this one,
Overtime have no give money after. Okay, Daniel or what tell? I see. But no give overtime. This
so
one
I
no
will,
possible.
me, for example, Anas tell to Kelvin, what can I do now? Our school like this. They said like this. I will tell also direct to Mr. Anas. Mr. Anas, I'm sorry. Okay, this year I will finish, but next year please do not renew my ikama. I will go final exit. If you said why,
My
sir,
friend, know you. All people know
Me
you
also.
this job. Only
No.
know you.
I will tell to Mr. Anas direct, sir, I go exit next year. no need to renew my ikama. I will go exit, sir. Because, sir, I will apply to another country or another site. I will go back
Another
to
job.
my country after I will apply. No, I will tell to him, sir, all of my friends, same time we come here in Saudi Arabia, they are working another side. Their salary now, sir, 3,000, 3,500. But me, it's still 2,200. Masyado.
Also no give
No,
about that.
yes, I will tell to him, sir, 9 years I'm working here, only 3 times, only 2 times I increase my salary. First, my salary 1,700. After, they increase 200, 1,900. Last increase 2,200. After stop. How many years? 4 years. No increase salary, sir.
After overtime close.
After I will tell to I will tell to Anas, Mr. Anas. I will tell you the truth. I'm not happy. I'm working more than 8 hours, no pay. After they want more work. Salary is still 2,200. Sir, it's better I resign. I go back to my country. I will go exit. Maybe I
All
go.
people, my man, only know. No like you see.
Yes.
Overtime have no give money. This one big problem. No like all people.
No, I will tell to Mr. Anas. Maybe Mr. Anas, I will go exit and then I come back here in Saudi Arabia to apply another work here. Maybe, sir, I have a good salary because I have 9 years
Experience.
experience. I have 9 years experience without problem. Maybe only one time I apply.
Yes, you have.
Someone will choose me. Okay, I like this guy because this guy had experience in Saudi Arabia.
Yes.
9 years. Only one company. Only one work.
Nobody will show
Only in
no
the school. I will tell them, sir, I'm working, my friend, we are same time come in Saudi Arabia, 2016. They are working security in compound. Their salary, sir, 3,000, 3,500. Me is still 2,200.
Good.
They don't have too much work more than me.
Daniel and Daniel and Saudi. Daniel of Saudi. Shanal. Shalan. Daniel Shalan thinking 2,200 more salary.
Too much. Huh?
More salary.
You don't know now. 2,200. Not too much. Prefer too
Before,
much.
when I speak to Mr. Talal asking to me, Kelvin, how much your salary here? Sir, 2,200. You are a team leader of security, yes, sir. How much your salary? 2,200. Huh? Only 2,200 your salary? No. It's last your salary up. Only drama.
Oh, how can people I know my friend this also.
After when Mr. Tamrat said 2 weeks before Mr. Tamrat go, Mr. Tamrat tell me, Kelvin, no problem. They will increase your salary. All the security will increase. But not now because already you signed the contract. Next year, new contract coming. All the security high salary.
No.
Masyado.
No,
How?
this one no agreement.
My friend, how they will increase security salary? Oh, small amount for overtime they are not paying. Oh, this one. Abdul Rahman?
Assalamu alaikum. মামা কি অবস্থা ভালো আছি আমি কাজে আছি একটু আমার ওই মন খারাপ না ছিল আমার টিয়া ভাই অনেক টিয়া অনেকগুলো টিয়া তো মনে হলেন যে মিলাই পারি না এই অবস্থা আর কি আল্লাহ জানে এবার জানি কি থাক হয় দেখি যাই আল্লাহ পরে আচ্ছা সমস্যা নাই ফোন দিয়ে নামনে আমি আছি ফিরে আছি গাড়িতে আছি না মন খারাপ না এমনি
হোটেল
How are you? Assalamualaikum Mr. Abdul Rahman. كيف الحال؟ كويس؟ My friend, ايش مشكلة هذا بنغلاديش؟ على طول fighting my friend. هذا ما بيكويش my friend. ايش fighting my friend؟ يلا تعال سعودي my friend. مشكلة. يلا تعال سعودي.
كيف يجي سعودي؟ هذا ديت اكسباير باسبورت.
باسبورت. شوف. Everything is okay. Oh.
একটা ভিডিও করবে না বেরিয়ে যাবে 2 কিলোমিটার আর বুঝলেন? হ্যাঁ
হ্যাঁ আমি কোথায় আছি
এখন না আরো বড় 2 কিলোমিটার এটা
ও
এই না খোঁজ খবর লাগায় দেখতে লাগে না
Friend.
এখন গার্ডেনে কাম করছে
হুম।
যদি দুইজনের যদি থাকে দুইজন লাগলে এরপরে আমি লই যাবো সমস্যা নেই গার্ডেনে কাম
My brother daughter,
ও good.
flight attendant in Qatar Airways.
কাতারের রয়েস
Yes.
ও very good.
Now she doing TikTok.
মাশাআল্লাহ good good.
Sure.
ইউর ব্রাদার
My brother daughter. She study in Europe country.
Oh, good.
Start high school.
Study Europe country too much money.
Yes, elementary. He study in Philippines. After my brother and my brother wife is there in Europe country. After take daughter, yala, come Europe country. You study here. After study there.
Oh, good.
Now she training in Dubai airport in Qatar Airways. Some finish class. Now she's working in the Qatar Airlines flight attendant.
Oh, good.
মোর স্যালারি হ্যাঁ
Very
Yes.
good job.
You see my brother go visit Dubai using Qatar Airways plane, 80% discount.
Oh, 80%?
Yes, only 20% they pay. Free hotel.
টাউন সাইডে শহর আই বললাম নি ইয়া শহর সাইডে গ্রাম আই বললাম
ওই না ওই ব্রিজে দিয়ে আই না
আপনি ওই নাম দেয় পড়ছেন
ব্রিজে 2 কিলোমিটারের ব্রিজ যে সুন্দর করছে বাড়ি নিচে দিয়া
হ্যাঁ গেছি তো অন্য দেয় পড়ছেন এটা গ্রামের মতোই লাগতেছে
এরম না এটা পার্ক সালমান পার্ক এটা কত কিলোমিটার হয়ে যায় নি করতেছে আচ্ছা দেখি আমি কথা বুঝিনি ওই আগের মতন কি তা না কয় ওই যে কেয়ার হাই কেয়ারের মতন হইলে তো হইতো না বুঝেন না সিস্টেম মতন ভালো কোম্পানিতে কাম পাইলে আমি জানাবো ঠিক আছে ওটালে আমরা টেনশন করি না, ঠিক আছে? আমি দেখি আর দেখি এখানে লোকের কথা কইছে, ঠিক আছে নি? ওই গার্ডেনের কাজের কথা কইছি, এখানে মোটামুটি কি ফুল ভালো, ঠিক আছে? আমি দেখি 2-3 ঘন্টা কাম থাকে, 8 ঘন্টার ভিতরে পুরো বাইরে কাম করতে পারবেন, ঠিক আছে? আর যদি এরকম সিস্টেম মতন আমি ঢুকাইতে পারি, তাহলে সাবিরের কথা কইছি, ওই জন্য আপনাদের সাথে ঢুকাই দেবো, ঠিক আছে? গেলাম আইলে বলে এটা ভিত্তি দিয়া ওই ভিত্তিতে দিয়ে দিয়া
বুঝছি, আমরা নালে ব্যবস্থা
তারা ছুটিতে যায় আর শান্তি পায় না তো,
না
ছেলে ভিতরে
কিনা
না
যাইতে
পারে
পারে
না,
না।
জায়গায় ঘুরতো না পারে, বাড়ি তো বাড়িতে থাকা লাগতেছে।
টাকা লাগে তোমার, টাকা সমস্যা না পেলে আমি কিন্তু কাম করি না, তোরা হচ্ছে আমি কাম করি না। 1 মাসের লেগে আর কি আমার কমাইছে, ওই যে 5 কমাইতে কমাই আবার দিয়ে দিবা, কেউ না কেউ কাছে কিনে যাবে।
Also this one, you know, there's a shop there, Haram Plaza.
Haram Plaza, yes.
This one, Arcal before buying uniform there.
Also they are have discount too much.
Yes, Haram Plaza. I remember before.
My friend, Arkal company too much have power.
Yes,
What's power? Arkal.
because Arcal have Ahmad, only Abdul Karim Kal Ahmad, yala ro dawar, shook ada shop. She'll ada uniform, ada security.
Aywa. What kya kala? You talk to Anas. Anas say you give one person for 250 real. After we are making shirt and pant. Okay. Shirt, pant and shoe, tie, all.
For me, it's better Mr. Anas give money.
Yes.
If he will buy, also our problem.
Yeah.
Sometimes big size.
No.
Also no good call, not call.
After you will go to tailor, repair, you will pay 20 real.
20 real, but this one no good quality coming.
Yes.
This one no, maybe I like fitting, but this one remove shalai. This one no good.
If Anas give money, we can buy good quality.
Yeah, this one good.